Good morning, Honorable President here. Myself, Dr.M.Suresh, Assistant Professor, Computer Engineering, Medala College of Engineering and Technology. Today, my topic is Java Programming. Then, Unit 2, Ingredients of the Packages. What is the ingredients? The main parent class divided into the additional other one subclass is the parent class, class value, data value, then functionalities are divided into the another one subclass is the engage. Then packages overall the package is the data Java programming. Overview of the ingredients. This unit focus on the advanced object-oriented programming concept in Java, especially how classes related to ingredients, how code is organized is package and ingredients. The error handling through exception handling. These are the overview of the ingredient. Ingredients is the process of one object. And that is the properties of the another one. So one object is the parent class, another one object is the child class. Is the part A is a parent class, the part B is another is a child class. Ingredients are one class called the subclass child class according to the properties, behaviors, method or fields of another class. It's called the superclass or parent class. The promotes code reusability, modularity, and the extensibility. Extends keyword is used to be the ingredients. The syntax of the ingredients, the class superclass name, then properties of the and the methods, then superclass divide the another on the class subclass name extend from superclass name. It's a superclass name means it's a parent name A class A. The another one then divided into the child class subclass part B. If ingredients or subclasses are used in the child class. The class that ingredient is called superclass. The class is the ingredient is called a subclass. Therefore, subclass specify the version of superclass. These are the simple example program. Class A data types values integer I, j. The superclass A parent class is a class A. It's a name of superclass. Value so ij. The functionality is executed for the system.out.println I and j. I and j values is declared. And then subclass extended to class A and V the class B. Then integer data value is k. While so k system.out.println k values are executed. So finally some values are system.out.println I plus j plus k. I, j values are declared in the superclass, in the parent class, class A. So another one data values, k values are declared in subclass, is a child class. So that's the example of ingredients. Types of the ingredients. Java supports single, multi-level and hierarchical ingredients. These are the three level of ingredients levels. Does not support the ingredients does not support for the multiple ingredients within the class. So using the interfaces. The single ingredients, one class ingredient from another. Class animal void sound. System.out.animal makes sound. So another one subclass is child class. Class dog extends from animal. Animal is a superclass. It's a parent class. So extended to animal class. Void dog, void ball. System.out.dog box. So the system class main function declared for the output value. Class animal, class sound, system.out.println animal is sound, then dot extends from the animal ball. So values is class puppy extends on dog. So two classes are included by these are the multi-level ingredients. These one animal main class, the parent class. Another one subclass is dog. Another one is puppy. Is the another one subclass is divided by extension from the dog class. So see that's it multi-level ingredients method. The third method is multiple classes are inherent from same parent. Multi-hierarchical inheritance. The class animal void sound. These are the animal sound. The class dog is class dog extension from animal. The dog words. The another one is value for the class cat extension from the animal. So multiple classes inherent in the same parent class. They are hierarchical inheritance. Multiple inheritance use the via interface. Interface printable void print. Then the next interface is showable. Showable the void value. These are the issues by the interference functions of first value. Multiple ingredients in the example program class demo implements printable showable. Public void print system dot out dot print is printing. Another one class is public void show system dot out dot print is a showing. So two implemented the one main class is separated to two subclass. These are the multiple inheritance using the interface. The final main class are public static void main function string arguments demo D. So object was created for this position, this stage demo D equal to new demo. So D is the object created in this position. D dot print is the first object value. Then D dot show is the second class value. First class value D print, then second value D dot show. So two values are declared by the main class in the output value is executed. Okay. Then packages are contained by the classes, group related classes. And then the example are packages college staff members CSA.employee, college staff members .it.employee. So naming conflict but allowing classes or same name exist of different packages. Like that, one college is another main, one or two main department packages are allowed. Makes it easier to organize, bucket, use classes, interfaces. The other components are is into the packages. Containers of the packages are containers of the classes. So an example of the package by package, public class by class, public void display, then system for output and inside the void class. The general form of the multi-level package statement. Package 1, package 2, package 3. The example of package declares say package A, B, C. 3 package values. Example. The previously executed by the CS department, ID department, then AID is department. So same of the package A, B, C. Summary of access modifier. Public modifier public. Everywhere all packages all the classes are accessible. The access is permitted. Private only the inside the same class is the private functions. Now another one default functions modifier are inside the same package, no private is used. So only for the default function. Protected for the same package, subclasses neither are packages are used the protected packages. Divided into 0 exception. Import of $i.in save header file class 6 public value integer value n equal to 10 n equal to 0. So answer n minus 1 is a 0 exception value is executed. Exception handling runtime errors will ensure the application put to regular flow in the maintenance. Exception handling is Java and developed create robust fault tolerant applications. The exception handling use of the keywords, some of the keywords try define the block code of be tested for exception. Try another catch keyword is catch. Declare the block code is handled specifically. Some coding any sometimes the error value. So the exception handling functionalities are used. Try, catch, then finally block code of always they execute the right values. Finally, through is the use of execution through or exception. Example through new arithmetic exception divided the 0. So through functionality is forward the another one values declare through the declares exception of words of the programs. So these are the exception value keywords used in the Java programming level. These are the syntax. The syntax of try and catch is a try code that may be the error exception, catch then exception. Based on the if else or condition, but the is not a same for the if else condition. It's a error handling the functionality by try catch, try get the values, check the values, sorry error condition values, and the catch pass the another one swapping the another one catch condition. The final as the values are finally fixed. Clean up the code. Then same for the handling multiple exceptions. Throw, try, catch, finally. These are the keywords of the exception error handling. Okay. These are the ingredients on the package of the Java programming.